Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this AZ motion sensor solar lights with 800 lumen. These are actually spotlights, and the big thing here is that they are looking like security cameras. So let's open the box and see what we get. Here's the packaging with the instructions manual, also some installation material. Yeah, and here we have the two cameras. Yeah, I accidentally called them cameras. They are of course not cameras, but they are absolutely looking like cameras. They are looking both the same, and when we look at them, they are definitely looking like cameras. So this is almost impossible to realize that these are not cameras but just solar lights, spotlights. They even use exactly same mount as a lot of security cameras are using. I have never seen a solar light using such a sophisticated mount. These are only used usually with security cameras. So this is perfect imitation of security cameras. They even have this gap here for the wires which we are usually using for such cameras. So this is absolute perfect fake. So here in the back we have the power on off, and I can show you how this works. It has just two settings, on off, and during the day, because of the brightness, you can see no matter if I'm using my hand in front of this light here, it's not turning on because it realizes that it's too bright. And this is exactly what's happening during the day. It's just charging the battery here inside from the solar panel, and during the night we have two different modes. I'll show you that when I hold something on top of the solar light. You can see that here. This is how strong this really is. This is super strong. So here you can see how easily it reacts on daylight or darkness. With daylight it's not doing anything, and as soon as we cover it and the camera has the impression that it's dark, it will turn on the red light which you see here. So this looks definitely like a security camera, and as soon as somebody is approaching in front of this light, the light will turn into a spotlight. This is exactly how it is supposed to be, and it works absolutely like that. And these professional mounts are also a huge advantage when it comes to mounting. So we can untighten this almost everywhere and make it either flexible or remove the whole thing. So we can screw this directly on a wall and then put it back and secure it again with this screw. Also this one we can untighten it, so we can use it exactly with a normal security camera. We have all these possibilities to turn it around and put it in any kind of angle which you want. This is probably the most flexible solar light mount ever, and not only here down at the camera itself but also the solar panel. As you can see, we can put it in almost any direction. We can even turn it to the side, as you can see, and then we can turn it upwards, and yeah, it's so super flexible. This is absolutely incredible, and at the end we can tighten it here with this screw in whatever direction we want. So I've already mounted both of the cameras outside. It was super easy, and what I really like is that I've been able to mount it so close to the fence, which is usually not possible with any kind of standard solar spotlights or so. This is absolutely awesome because I don't want to have something standing out and then hitting it. So I want to keep it as close as possible to the fence, and that's actually only possible with this light here. So it's absolutely perfect for me, and it was easy to mount, and it has a strong hold. It's absolutely sturdy and waterproof. We already had some rain and there was absolutely no problem. They look very, very nice, and they have been performing absolutely as expected. You can see how dark it is without these lights here in my backyard. Here you can see the light on the left side with the red LED imitating a security camera, and when I'm getting closer it turns on, and the second one as well. And to show you how good this works, I hold my hand in front of it and you can see how bright this is now, especially when I turn around, and you can see the whole thing illuminated just with these two lights here, the whole area here in the back, really nicely illuminated as long as I need it. Of course, when I'm not there anymore, it will turn off after some time, but this is exactly what we want, to save some battery so it will last the whole night. This is absolutely perfect. Here again you can see that fully illuminated, and when I'm not doing anything then it will turn off. You can see the difference, so absolutely perfect. So I really love these two lights. I'm super happy with them, and so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.